our spring edition of Cooking Good with Althea. Welcome. It's the spring and you know our fruits are coming out. So we are going to make use of our fruits in making juice, fresh juice. So here we have our lovely mangoes. And we have some strawberries. And we have carrot. The carrot is already cut up. We have carrots. I was fortunate to have some mango, some St. Julian mango from Jamaica, also some East Indian. So we're going to combine them with our local mangoes. We have here some frozen cherries. Not all the fruits are available now, so we're making use of what we have. We'll be using lemon and a little ginger. Not too much ginger, just enough to taste. Okay friends, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have my carrots here that are already cut up. I used about 8 carrots in total. Here's some. I will be blending my carrots. Now, if you have a juicer home, you could go ahead and wash your carrot, scrape it just a little bit and run it through your juicer. But for me today, I will be blending. So I have here like 3 cups of water and this is like 3 cups of carrot. So I'll put to the blender like here, and then I'll go ahead and we'll blend. We'll have some water and I'll go. I blended the carrot just for like 2 minutes or less until the carrots are nicely puree. So then I will take my strainer and strain in the jug. Let me get the strainer, sorry. This is a lot more work opposed to if I was using the juicer. Because sometimes you have to, see, it's nicely puree. So, friends, I am going to add some ginger to the remaining amount. Like I have a 1/4 cup of ginger here. To that, from the first batch, I got like a 1/4 cup, a 1/4 pitcher of juice. So I will be blending some more to add. Okay, so I will be blending the mangoes next. So now we have our mangoes. This is like about 2.5 mangoes cut up, maybe 3.5 cups of water. And I must say special thanks to my friend who sent me those mangoes over from Jamaica. Thank you. Frozen mangoes. Alright, so here. And we also have a little ginger in here as well. Okay, so now here we have our mangoes. Look at the color, beautiful, nice, rich yellow. Some local mangoes and some frozen Jamaican mango. Nice. I'll show you how we show it out. The color is beautiful, rich. With this mango, you really don't need a lot of sugar, or you may not have to put any sugar, because the mango, the fruits bring their own sweetness, the natural sugar. See? Nice. All right. This one here is like about 2 mangoes. I added a little East Indian mango to this mix as well, but I prefer to use the St. Julian to make the juice, but I just had a little East Indian. All right, so there you go, nice and pretty. Wow. Cut that.
So do we want more mango juice than carrot juice?
No, not really. We're gonna blend both of them in together. But I want to have more mango taste. But we're also going to put some passion fruit, but the passion is frozen, so yeah. It's like a fruit punch. Fruit drink. Drink our body good. Okay, so we have here 2.5 cups of water to 3 cups of strawberries. Now, here we have our strawberry blended out. Friends, I am not sure yet if I am going to add the strawberries to the mixture, the mango and the carrot mixture. At the end of the video, I will let you know. Maybe I will put some other fruits with the strawberries for now, but we're blending the strawberries for now. I want to see how it tastes with the mango before I say it's added to the juice. Maybe we'll just make the strawberry by itself with some other fruit, maybe the passion, but not with the mangoes.
Yeah, let's try like a cup of strawberries with the mango.
Yeah, we tried, but yeah. Okay, so for the passion fruit, we will be using the frozen one. I chose the Goya brand, and I'm using like a half of this package because I already used some. The frozen, I have like a half a cup of water to half of this. So I'll just blend it a little bit. You don't really have to, but I'll just give it a quick. And then I'll add this to our mixture of carrot, mango, and passion, and lemon, and a little ginger. Okay? Okay, friends, this is our finished product here. In this picture, we wanted to have more of a mango taste. So we used like a half of picture of mango, a little carrot, a little bit of the strawberries, some ginger, and the Caribbean frozen cherries, also the passion fruit. And this one here, we have like 3/4 of picture of strawberries, just a little mango, the carrot and the passion and ginger and lemon. Okay, so we are going to taste. I'll pour the mango. Nice. And I'll pour some of the strawberry. Nice. You want this?
Yeah, let me taste.
Which of them?
I taste both.
Alright.
Alright, so this is strawberry mango?
Strawberry mango.
Alright.
So we go cheers. Cheers. Nice and refreshing.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Caribbean style.
Alright, let me try that one.
It really tastes good.
Yeah, I think I like the mango one a little better, but the mango and strawberry is very good as well.
Okay, so for your summer, we're coming into the summer now. So for your summer drinks and when you're having the barbecue grill, go ahead and use up your fruits in the store. Your strawberries, the mangoes, carrots, a little ginger, a little lemon, give you that nice refreshing taste. Okay, and it's more healthier. You can use less water to get more of the fruit taste, less water. I think I used a little bit too much in the beginning, so I had to use up more mangoes to bring out the mango taste. So use less water, and well, the carrots you could put through a juicer, but the mangoes definitely have to be blended. All right, so friends, thank you for watching. Go have your fruit juice, it's nice. Love you, and we'll see you next time with another Caribbean flavor.